2019 F-150 here. It has a clicking noise. You start it up and there's a clicking noise in the front end. So during idling, I observed that the grille shutters are what's clicking. You can see they are off track here. That guy there is supposed to be in that hole up there so that they're all uniform. It's having a hard time obviously getting in the correct position. So look a little further in here. We'll see what caused the issue. I think if we get this critter out of here, if we look in here, the tab's still there, so I think we can get this repaired. A little bit of digging. Yeah. Oh. So I think, yeah, I heard that click in. The tabs don't appear to be damaged. Yeah, so if you look here, all of our arms are still in good condition. Tabs are all still there, able to lock back in. I think that's all that really needs to be done to resolve this issue. I'm going to go ahead and do a active grille shutter test and make sure none of these pop out during operation. And obviously a test drive as well. Make sure any of the wind resistance doesn't cause any of those tabs to pop back out. But it appears this little guy right here can bring a truck into the repair shop. Built Ford tough. And so now I'm using my Matco Maximus 4.0. I'm going to command. We have a 0% here. Grille shutters are completely closed. And I'm going to command these and try to video at the same time. Command to 100%. You can see it open just fine, no clicking. 100%. And we'll go ahead and hit the negative button here. And we're going to go down to 0%, which should bring them completely closed. 0%, and they close just fine, no clicking. And so there you go. Bird versus F-150. Bird wins. And yes, we did have a code P05 Alpha Echo 00-6 David. Active grille shutter B performance stuck off. Vehicle overspeed conditions. Someone apparently was having too much fun, so we're not going to pay attention to that. But yeah, just for reference, we did have that.